Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.